Here I have HUAWEI Ascend G510 and let me show you how to insert here SIM and SD card on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the power key. Let me switch off the device. So keep holding power, let's choose power off and wait until your phone will be completely switched off. Afterwards, let's open the back cover. So let's do it by using the cavity right here at the down right edge of the screen. Let's do it step by step. And now let's remove the battery. So let's remove the battery by using the following cavity right here. As simple as that. As you can see here, you can insert the SIM card. So let me do it. The regular size of your SIM card. Here I have such a card with the characteristic edge right here. Let's put this card right here and let's push it to the end. Alright, now it's time to insert the micro SD. So here I have such a card with the characteristic edge right here. Let's put this card in that slot and let's press it to the end. Alright, now let's close the back cover and let's put back the battery. And now you can switch on the device to make sure that both cards works properly. The HUAWEI smartphone is turning on. Let's wait until the home screen pops up. Alright, let's unlock the screen. Tap apps icon and choose settings. Under the all tab, let's find and select the storage. As you can see, the device is reading our portable storage, our SD card, so it means that our micro SD was installed properly. You can also see right here that the device has some mobile network signal, so it means that also the SIM card was installed properly. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.